Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to add custom fields to the WordPress registration form. So in this video we are adding the date of birth. If I'm going to the registration form, see, so it says please enter the username, email and the please enter your date of birth, right? I have added the year, date of birth. So let's check how we are going to use it. So let's open the code. So here we are adding all the fields right here. So it is front end registration. So here this is the previous video. Now this is the second. We are adding the action, that is registration form, and here we are taking the year of birth and minimum, that is started from this one, maximum 2017 or you can say 2022, right? After that registration error, we are throwing the error, right? If the post of the year we are getting, then we are going to check whether the date of birth is entered or not. If it is entered and it is like less than 1900, then you must be born after this one, right? User registration, then we are updating the user meta in the backend, right? The year of birth. Backend registration form, we are going to create a new field, that is the year of birth, and we are again updating the same process we are following for the backend registration. Then we are adding the field and updating the field, right? Using the get author meta, year of birth and user ID. Let's check how it is working. So I'm going to register here. My username is Rajni90, email mss.rajni @gmail.com. Right, year of birth, I'm adding this. Then I'm going to 1993. Registration. Check your registration complete. Please check your email. Then go to the login page. I'm going to add login as admin. In another page, email is triggered. Yes, Mrs. Rajni. Okay. The password email is sent to my email registration. Now I'm going to log in. Okay, log in. Check the users. Go to the user section. Users, all users. We have this Raj90. If you're going to check, this is the where it is the phone year year of this is added over here, right? So this is whenever front end registration there, you will going to get it from this here. If I'm going to add new user, you can add the customer attributor administrator. Okay, this is the different. This is the personal information it is added. The year of birth is required. So whenever you try to create a new user, this field is added, right? So this is how you can add any of the registration field. You can add any field in the registration page and you can get it like this process. If you want this full-fledged code, you can just write me in the below in comment section. I will fully share this full-fledged code and you can customize. You can add multiple fields and add multiple validations over here, like registration code and something like that. You can add it over here. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.